Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Good morning, ma'am.
yes, good morning. Okay, so let's continue with the reference to context question answers of the chapter, The Ransom of Red Chief. And we have done the first part, right? First one we have done.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so the second one. I like this fine. I never camped out before, but I had a pet cat and I was 9 last birthday. I hate to go to school. Rats ate up 16 of Jimmy Talbot's aunt's speckled hen's eggs. Are there any real Indians in these woods? I want some more gravy. So the first part A. Who is I in these lines? Write down the answer.
Ma'am, we have to start from second one.
Beta, this is the second one. Which book you have? The old one?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Confusion. I got confused.
No, no, it's okay. The old book had one more, but the new book had one less. Okay, so this is according to the new book. And write down the answer. I hope you all are ready with your copies and your pens.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down. The I, the alphabet I in single quotes. The I in these lines, the I, alphabet I in single quotes in these lines is Johnny. Johny. Johny. And J will be capital. Name of a person is Johnny, comma, the son of Ebenezer Dorset. E will be capital and D will be capital. Ebenezer, Ebenezer, Ebenezer Dorset, Dorset, Ebenezer Dorset, full stop. The I in these lines is Johnny, comma, the son of Ebenezer Dorset. Written?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, second part. Why did the speaker like this adventure? Write down. The speaker the speaker liked this adventure. The speaker liked this adventure because this was his first time because this was his first time ever. This was his first time ever camping out, camping out, and it was great fun, and it was great fun, unlike school, unlike school or being at home, unlike school or being at home, being at home, full stop. I will repeat. The speaker liked this adventure because this was his first time ever camping out and it was great fun, unlike school or being at home, full stop. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. What kind of a person is the speaker? Do you
Yes,
think the
ma'am.
speaker is going to create trouble? Okay, write the answer. The speaker is the speaker is an overexcited is single word. The speaker is an overexcited excited overexcited 10-year-old. 10 you will write in words, ten. The speaker is an overexcited 10-year-old, full stop. Overexcited 10-year-old, full stop. He is extremely active. He is extremely extremely extremely. he is extremely active and naughty to the point of being bad, to the point of being bad. He is extremely active and naughty to the point of being bad. Full stop. It appears that he has been suppressed, suppressed at home. It appears that he has been suppressed at home and is making use of this opportunity, opportunity to do what he likes. Full stop. I'll repeat again.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Yes, I'll repeat again. The speaker is an overexcited 10-year-old. Full stop. He is extremely active and naughty to the point of being bad. Full stop. It appears that he...
Mommy is extremely.
Huh? Where, beta? Extremely active. ACTIVE. Active and naughty to the point of being bad. Full stop. It appears that he has been suppressed at home and is making use of this opportunity to do what he likes. Full stop. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next
Ma'am,
one. Suppressed at home.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppressed at home.
Yes, ma'am.
And is making use of this opportunity. To do what he likes. Full stop. Next one. At last I fell into a troubled sleep and dreamt that I had been kidnapped and chained to a tree by a ferocious pirate with red hair. Who is I in these lines? Write down. I in these lines is the narrator. Write I, alphabet I in single quotes. I in these lines is the narrator. 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 I in these lines is the narrator. Full stop. Why did the speaker have a troubled sleep? Write down. The speaker had a troubled sleep. The speaker had a troubled sleep because he was afraid. The boy may hurt him. He was afraid the boy may hurt him or Bill or try to escape. or try to escape. ESCAPE. Full stop. The speaker had a troubled sleep because he was afraid the boy may hurt him or Bill or try to escape. Full stop. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think the speaker was intimidated by someone? If yes, who was it? Write down the third part. The speaker was feeling intimidated. 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 Write down INTIMIDATED. The speaker was feeling intimidated by the way in which the boy Johnny was behaving and had hurt Bill. Full stop.
Mom, after behaving
and had hurt Bill. Full stop. I'll repeat.
Okay, ma'am.
The speaker was feeling intimidated by the way in which the boy Johnny was behaving and had hurt Bill. Full stop. The next one. We'll take him home, pay the ransom, and make a getaway. Who said these words? Okay, write down. The narrator said these words. Full stop. B part. To whom were they going to pay the ransom? Answer. They were going to pay the ransom. To Ebenezer Dorset. They were going to pay the ransom, RANSOM, to Ebenezer, EBENEZER, Dorset, DORSET, comma. The father of the boy they had kidnapped. The father of the boy they had kidnapped. 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 Full stop. I'll repeat. They were going to pay the ransom to Ebenezer Dorset, comma, the father of the boy they had kidnapped. Full stop. C part. What is ironic about the above statement? What is ironic about the above statement? Write down the answer. What is ironic? What is ironic? IRONIC. What is ironic about the above statement? What is ironic about this statement? Write this statement. What is ironic about this statement is the fact. Ironic about this statement is the fact that while WHILE, that while they had kidnapped the boy, that while they had
Ma'am, after statement.
is the fact that while they had kidnapped, Kidnapped, kidnapped the boy is the fact that while they had kidnapped the boy with the hope of kidnapped the boy with the hope of extracting 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 a ransom of extracting a ransom of $2,000. Write in words 2000 TWOTHOUSAND.
Ma'am, after ransom of
Ransom of $2,000. Ransom of $2,000 from his father comma they ended up paying the father they ended up paying PAYING they ended up paying the father $250. Write again in words $250. DOLLARS, $250, so that he would take his son off their hands, so that he would take his son off their THEIR take his son off their off their THEIR hands. Full stop. I will repeat this answer. What is ironic about this statement is the fact that while they had kidnapped the boy with the hope of extracting a ransom of $2,000 from his father, comma, they ended up paying the father $250 so that he would take his son off their hands. Full stop. Written, all of you?
ma'am, yes, the off
Yes,
will
ma'am.
have two F's.
What, beta?
Ma'am, in his son off their hands, off is like
O double
will
F.
have double F.
Yes, double F.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. The next one. I am not as strong as I used to be, but I think I can promise you 10 minutes. Who is I in these lines? Write down. I in single quotes, the alphabet I. I in these lines is Mr. Ebenezer Dorset. I in these lines is Mr. Ebenezer 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 Dorset DORSET. Full stop. Next one.
Ma'am, after
Is Mr. Ebenezer Dorset. I in these lines is Mr. Ebenezer Dorset. Full stop.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Next question. For what work was the speaker not strong enough? Write down. The speaker was not strong enough. The speaker was not strong enough. ENOUGH. Naila, beta, mute your mic. The speaker
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
The speaker was not strong enough to hold back his son. Not strong enough to hold back his son From running back to the kidnappers hold back his son.
Ma'am, after son.
From running back to the kidnappers, KIDNAPPERS, to the kidnappers, who he preferred, PREFERRED, who he preferred, PREFERRED, preferred being with, BEING, with, full stop. I will repeat. The speaker was not strong enough to hold back his son from running back to the kidnappers, who he preferred being with, full stop. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The C part, what?
Ma'am, I'm not getting a single word. Ma'am, running back to
the kidnappers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Running back to the kidnappers, who he preferred.
Else I have done.
Okay, beta. All right. Okay, the last part. What could happen in 10 minutes? Write down. In 10 minutes, again write 10 in words. In 10 minutes, comma. In 10 minutes, comma. His son may be able to escape. His son may be able to escape, ESCAPE, escape from his father's grip. Fathers, apostrophe S in fathers, FATHER apostrophe S, father's grip, and run back to the kidnappers, KIDNAPPERS, run back to the kidnappers, full stop. I will repeat. In 10 minutes, comma, his son may be able to escape from his father's grip and run back to the kidnappers, full stop.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, father's grip, GRIP.
GRIP.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. And run back to the kidnappers. Have you all written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please repeat 3B. I could not write.
The whole thing you have not written.
No, ma'am, only 3B.
3B, the whole answer you have not written.
No, ma'am, was afraid.
Okay.
From was afraid.
Okay, wait. Why did the speaker have a troubled sleep? That one you're talking about.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because you have written till afraid?
Yes, ma'am.
Because he was afraid, the boy may hurt him. Afraid, the boy may hurt him, or Bill, or try to escape. Because he was afraid, the boy may hurt him or Bill, or try to escape. Full stop.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Have all the rest of you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this completes
Yes,
the
ma'am.
reference to the context, and the rest of the question answers I will send on the group. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
so that
Okay, ma'am.
when we meet and you have to complete all this written work, uh, so that when we meet the next time, we will start another chapter, a new chapter in literature. All right, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.